Hello, Clued members. This is Frankie from the Mental Health Committee, and today we are going to be making my iced coffee recipe. I always start my mornings off with coffee. Funny thing is, I never liked coffee growing up, but once I started my sophomore year of college, I have always needed to have my morning coffee to wake up and get my day started. I decided to stay at home this semester, but when I was on campus, I usually would get my coffee from Sparty's, and if I was feeling a little bougie, I would go to Starbucks. At home, my parents have an espresso machine that I've honestly been using every day since March, so getting my morning coffee has become very convenient lately. Today, I made a double shot of espresso that I used Develito, which is a blend of Central and South American beans, but honestly anything could work with this recipe. An easier way to make this recipe would be just to buy the ready-made Starbucks cold brew at any grocery store. For the vanilla sweet cream, I used half and half, but if you wanted to make this recipe a little healthier, you could use almond milk or coconut milk. I then added 4 to 5 drops of pure vanilla extract. Then I stirred it up and poured the cream into the milk frother. Frothing the milk will add a layer of foam to the cream and make it richer and creamier. You could use any frother for this step. I'll be linking some cheaper alternatives in the description below. I then added Starbucks classic syrup to the espresso. This is an important step and really elevates the taste of the espresso. After adding the classic syrup to the espresso, make sure you stir it. The next step is to add ice to the espresso. I use these large ice cubes because it takes longer for them to melt and they won't dilute the espresso. Now the last step is to just pour the cream slowly into the glass and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and go green!